In the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. This is your mathematics teacher, Mr. Wasim Shahid. Dear students, in this lecture, we are going to discuss about the multiplication of meter and centimeter. Meters and centimeters. This is our lesson number 8 of final term, and this topic is given in your book page 150. Let us start from page 150. Dear students, in page 150, the topic is multiplication of meters and centimeters. Remember that M stands for meter and cm stands for centimeter. These two are the units of length in which we measure shapes or length of any object. Today, we learn how we multiply meter and centimeter with any number. The statement of question 1 is complete these. Complete these multiplication sums. Part A, meters and centimeters are given at the same time. Here we have 8 meter and 45 centimeter. We want to multiply 8 meter and 45 centimeter with 6. Dear students, it is easy to multiply meters and centimeter when we remember that 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter, and this multiplication is same as we multiply the normal numbers. First of all, we will start the multiplication from 5 from the right. Here we multiply 6 with 5 first, then 6 with 4, and after that 6 with 8. So first of all, we multiply 6 with 5, means 6 multiplied by 5 equal to what? 6 multiplied by 5 is equal to 30. So we write 0, this 0 here, and this 3 up, 3 carry here. And after that we multiply 6 with 6 by 4. 6 times 4, all of you know that 6 multiplied by 4, that is equal to 24. And after that we add this carry, this number. Carry number is 3. So 24 plus 3, that is equal to 27. So again we write 7 here, and 2. We will convert centimeter into meters, because here when we write 270, it means we have 2 meter and 70 centimeters. So we we have to convert centimeters into meters. So we write 2 carry here. This, if you write 2 here, it means we have 270 centimeters. 270 centimeters mean 200 plus 200 meters plus 70 meters. Instead of 200 meters, so we convert 200 meters into meters. So you have to take carry 2 here. No need to write 2 here. So after that, you have to multiply 6 by 8. 6 times 8, we have 40. 6 times 8, that is equal to 48. Then add carry plus 2, 8, 48 plus 2, that is equal to 50. Dear students, I am going to repeat myself once again. Listen me very carefully. First we multiply 6 by 5. 6 5s are 30. Carry 3. 6 4s are 24 plus 3 27. We write 2 here, 7 here, and 2 carry here, and then we multiply 6 by 8. 6 8s are 48 plus 2 50. In this way we can solve parts B. This is part not A, this is part B. Part B, and this is part C and D. Part B, 11 meter 5 centimeter multiplied by 7. So we will repeat the same method and same steps. 7 multiplied by 5, 7 5 times 7 5s are 35. We will write 5 here and carry 3 up. After that we multiply 7 with 0. 7 multiplied by 0. First we multiply 7 by 5. That is equal to 35. So write 5 here and 3 carry. After that we multiply 7 by 0. In second step we multiply 7 times 0 mean 0. 7 zeros are 0. 0. Then we add this carry. 0 plus 3. 0 plus 3. We get 3. So here we write 3, and after that multiply 7 by 11. 7 ones are 7, and again 7 ones are 7. Now you can say 7 11s are 77. 7 5s are 35. Carry 3. 7 0 0 plus 3 3, and 7 ones are 7. 7 ones are 7. Look at part C. In part C, 3 meter 95 centimeter multiplied by 3. First we multiply 3 by 5. 3 5s are 15. Carry 1. 3 9s are 27. 3 multiplied by 9. 27 plus 128. Write 8 here and 2 carry. Write the carry number in the below of meter here. After that multiply 3 by 3. 3 multiply by 3. 9. 9 plus 2. 9 plus 2 11. Similarly here 7 meter 42 centimeter multiply by 10. Dear students, here we are multiplying meter and centimeter with 2-digit number. This question is little bit different from rest of parts. So first of all we will multiply 42 by 10. Dear students, you know that whenever we multiply any number by 10, we just write the same number and add the 0 at the end. I am going to write the multiplication of 42, product of 42 and 10, that is equal to, so remember the rule, whenever we multiply any number by 10, we will copy same number. So we will write here 42 and add the 0, this 0 at the end, means 42 multiplied by 10, we get 420. It means when we multiply 42 by 10, we get 420 centimeters. So here we will remove, here we will convert centimeters into meter. We know that 420 mean 400 centimeter plus 20 centimeter. So we will change 400 centimeter into meter. 400 centimeter mean 4 meter. Therefore, we cannot write 4 here. We will take carry 4 here. Again, I am telling you this step. When you multiply 42 by 10, you get 420. Write 20 here and 4 carry, because 400 centimeter means 4 meter. So here we convert centimeter into meters. So write 4 up. After that multiply 10 by 7. 10 7 times 10 sevens are 70. 10 multiplied by 7, that is equal to 70. And then add these 4, because here we have 4 meters. 70 meter plus 4 meter, that is equal to 74. So here write 74. I am going to repeat these steps again. 42 multiplied by 10, you get 420. Write 20 here, and two digit first, write two digit number here, and third digit carry here. Third digit is 4, right? Carry here. After that, 10 multiplied by 7, 70. 10 sevens are 70 plus 4, 74. Hope so you understand this. You understood this question. Dear students, in this way you can solve all the multiplication sums. Look at part question 2. In question 2, the statement is write these in vertical form. These questions are written in horizontal form. So you just write these multiplication sums in vertical form and then solve. Here, the first one is question 2, write these in vertical form, then multiply. The first question is 4 meter 24 centimeter multiplied by 6. Dear students, in vertical form, first we write meter one side, on the other side we write centimeter. After that, in the below of meter, we will write 4 meter. In the below of centimeter, 24 centimeter, we will write centimeter, because here 24 centimeters are given. 4 in the below of m meter and 24 in the below of centimeter. Then multiply by 6. This is vertical form. This is vertical form. And after that, we will repeat the same steps as we done above. So first we multiply 6 by 4. 6 fours are 24. Write 4. 6 fours are 24. Write 4. Carry 2. 6 twos are 12 plus 2, 14. Write 4 here and carry next one here. Do not try to write 14 here. If you write 14 here, it means we have 144 centimeter. So in 144 centimeter, we can convert 100 centimeter into meter. Therefore, we will carry 1 here. So we are not writing 1 here. Okay. Here we have 144 centimeter. So this 100 we change in 100 centimeter into meter. We change this 100 centimeter into meter. We know that 100 centimeter equal to 1 meter. Dear students, here we have 144 centimeter. So we write 44 along here, and 100 we change into meter. So after that we multiply 6 by 4. 6 times 4, 24. 6 fours are 24. 6 multiplied by 4, that is equal to 24. And after that we add this carry. This is 1 meter. 24 meter plus 1 meter, 25 meter. 24 plus 1, 25. So we write here 25. In this way you can solve part B, part C. I'm going to explain part C. In part C, 8 meter 5 centimeter multiplied by 4. First of all, we will write meter and centimeter in vertical form. Write meter m. One side, on the other side centimeter. M stands for meter and cm stands for centimeter. So in the below of meter, we write, look at here. Here 8 meters are given, so we write here 8 meter. 5 centimeters are given, so we write 5 in the below of centimeter. And then multiply by 4. First of all, we will write in vertical form, and after that multiply 4 by 5. 4 fives are 20. So there is no carry. We will just write 20 here. Students, remember that in multiplication of meter and centimeter, we take the carry when we get the 3 digit, when we get the answer more than 100. Do not try to write 2 here, because we know that in 1 meter we have 100 centimeter. When we get the answer more than 100, Here, when you get more than 100, then you take third digit carry here. If you get 4 to the 20, we get two digit number. So write two digit as it is. Do not try to take carry 2 here. So we write 20 full number here. And after that, we multiply 4 by 8. 4 by 8. 4 eights are 32. Dear students, remember that when we get the answer more than 100, then we convert the centimeters into meter. Otherwise, write the answer as it is. Look at here. In question 4, we have 2 meter 63 centimeter multiplied by 2. First we write in vertical form, and after that we multiply centimeters first. Here centimeters are 63. 63 multiplied by 2. Dear students, here the important thing is that when we multiply 63 by 2, we get the answer 2 threes are 6 and 6 twos are 12. Actually, here we get the answer 126. Our answer is more than 100. Therefore, we take one carry here. Because when we get the answer more than 100, then we take carry. Because we know that in 100 centimeter, we have 1 meter. Therefore, here we cannot write 12 full. Third digit will be carry here. When we multiply 63 by 2, we get 126. Right? First two digits here and third digits carry. After that, multiply 2 by 2. 2 twos are 4 plus 1, 5. Similarly, EFGH. The solution of EFGH, these parts are written in front of your screen. You can solve these part by yourself, and also you can copy the solution of these parts. I'm just going to explain part F because part F is little bit different from the other parts. In part F, we are going to multiply 5 meters 19 centimeter by 10. Means here we are multiplying meters and centimeter with two digits, mean 10. So first of all, students, we will write in vertical form. First we write meter one side, m here, and other side centimeter. After that, in the below of meter, we have 5 meter. So write 5 and 19 centimeter here. So we write 19 multiply by 10. Dear students, in this case, first of all, we multiply uh, 19 by 10. I am writing 19 by 10 in horizontal form here. It is very easy to multiply 19 by 10 because whenever we multiply any number by 10, write the same number. This number is 19, write 19 and add 0 at the right, at the end, at right hand side. 19 multiplied by 10, 190. So write first two digits are 9090, right? 90 here and this one carry here. Student, this is very important step. I am going to repeat this. 19, first we multiply 19 by 10. We know that when we multiply 19 by 10, we get 190. So write 90 centimeters. These are 190 centimeters here. So write 90 centimeter here and 100 centimeter mean 1 meter. So we write 1 here. These are 190 centimeter, right? 90 centimeter here, and this is 100 centimeters mean 1 meter. So we write 1 here. In simply you can say write first two digits here and third digits carry. After that 10 multiplied by 5. All of you know that 10 5 times 10 fives are 50 plus 1, 51. In this way you can solve part E, part G and H. Dear students, the last question of this page is question 3. Write sums to answer these. There are 3 word problems. And I am going to explain part A and B, and third part is your homework. Look at the statement of part A. The statement of part A is what is the total length of 6 pieces of ribbon if each 3 meter and 28 centimeter long. Means try to understand the statement of this question. In this statement, the length of one ribbon is given and you have to find the length of such 6 pieces. Students, remember that whenever the length of any one thing, single thing is given and you have to find the length of 6 or 7 or more than two pieces, so you have to multiply the length of one with the given number. Here, given pieces are 6 and length of each is 3 meter and 28 centimeter. In other words, you can say multiply this length with 6. So first of all, we write the first statement as length of each ribbon equal to 3 meter and 28 centimeter. This is given. This, look at here, this is given. And after that, we have to find length of 6 such ribbons. Length of 6 ribbons, just multiply the length of one, multiply by 6. This is the length of each. Length of each 3 meter 28 centimeter, multiply by 6. Dear students, it is not easy for you to directly multiply. So you have to write 3 meter 28 centimeter by 6 in vertical form. So write the vertical form here and then you will get the answer. Here write meter one side, centimeter another side. You done this type of multiplication above many sums you have understood. So here we write 3, this 3, because 3 meters are given, 28 centimeters are given. So 28, 3, 28 and multiply by 6. After that, you have to adopt same rules to multiply meters and centimeters. So here, first of all, we multiply 6 by 8. 6 8s are 48. We write 8 here and carry 4. 6 2s are 12 plus 4, 16. So write 6 here, here 6 and carry 1. After that, 6 3s are 18. 6 by 3, 18. 6 3s are 18 or 6 times 3, 18 plus 1, 19. So 19 meter 68 centimeter. It means the length of 6 ribbons is 19 meter 68 centimeter. Students, in this way, you can solve the word problem B and C as well. The word problem B is, what is the total length of 5 telephone wires if each length is this? So each wire has this length. Therefore, we can write the first statement as length of each telephone wire is 2 meter 18 centimeter. And how to find the length of 5, total length of 5 such telephone wires? Just multiply this length by 5. 2 meter 18 meter multiply by 5. Same method you will adopt. Write this length in horizontal form and multiply. And you get the answer 10 meter 19. 5 4s are, sorry, 5 8s are 40, carry 4. 5 1s are 5 plus 4, 9. 5 2s are 10. So the answer will be total length of 5 telephone wires equal to 10 meter. Look, 10 meter and 90, 90 centimeter. So here you have to, here 68 centimeters written. This is typing mistake. So you have to here write 10 meter 90 centimeter. Dear students, in this way you will solve part C. This is your homework. What is the length of 10 carpets, each 2 meter and 56 centimeter long? So if you understood this, definitely you can solve part C. So all students are required to solve question 1 in your mathematics book. Question 2 and question 3, you have to solve the solution of question 2 and 3 in your notebook. Remember that solve all parts. In mathematics, extra practice is very important, so you have to solve all parts that are given in your book page 150. Okay, students, Allah Hafiz, inshallah. In next lecture, we will learn about the division of meters and centimeter. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.